Hello everyone and welcome to the science video class. So today we are going to discuss about chapter 14, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to the climate. In this video we are going to learn about geographical locations of tropical rainforest, adaptive features found in animals living in tropical rainforest, adaptations found in animals living in Indian rainforest, geographical location of desert region and the adaptive features found in animals living in desert regions. So let us discuss about the adaptations in animals living in tropical rainforest. But before this, we should know about the geographical location and climatic conditions of tropical rainforest. So if we look at the geographical locations of tropical rainforest, the tropical rainforests are located around the equator. So they are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southern Asia, Central America and Central Africa. The climatic conditions of tropical rainforest are hot and humid. During summer, the temperature is usually above 40 degrees Celsius and in winter it is never below 15 degrees Celsius. Also, as the name suggests, the tropical rainforest, they receive direct sunlight for most part of the day, so they are hot and wet and humid climate. They receive plenty of rainfall throughout the year and these regions have thick green forest with a variety of plants and animals. So let us discuss about the animals which are found in the tropical rainforest. Large number of living forms are found in tropical rainforest like monkeys, elephants, tigers, leopards, sheep, deer, goats, large variety of snakes, amphibians and insects. Now we should move on to the adaptations found in animals of the tropical rainforest. Here we will be discussing each adaptive feature. So number one adaptive features of animals which are living in tropical rainforest is the arboreal habit. Animals that live on the trees are called as arboreal animals. So many animals in tropical rainforest are adapted to live in trees. These provide food, shelter and protection from the predators. So living on the trees provides them food, shelter and protection from the predators. So here for example we are discussing about the monkey. They have a long coiled prehensile tail for grasping the branches. Prehensile tail means a tail that is used for gripping things. Their hands and feet are also modified to hold on the branches. They have grasping feet with opposable thumb. Opposable thumb means a thumb that can be placed opposite to the fingers at same hand. Now here you can see that a red-eyed frog is shown in the diagram. So it has a green color body that merges with the green color of the leaves in the background, making it unnoticeable to the predators. It has a striking red eyes to scare away the enemies. It has a sticking pads on its feet that help it to climb on the tree. Also, birds are found in the tropical rainforest and they are adapted to roost on the trees. They make nests on the trees and lay eggs there. Snakes and lizards are also well adapted to move on the trees. Now, second adaptive features found in the animals of tropical rainforest is the feeding habit. Now, because of a large number of living forms in tropical rainforest, the animal face a tough competition for food and space. So therefore, they have adapted to various modes of existence. So another thing is that as there is a vegetation available, plenty of vegetation available in the tropical rainforest, so Most forest dwellers are herbivores, and because herbivores are present, so carnivores and omnivores are also present in the tropical rainforest areas. So now we will be discussing about some special feeding adaptive features that the animals living in the tropical rainforest have. So one example is that a bird called toucan. The toucan possesses a long and large beak which help it to reach the fruit on weak branches. The birds with short beaks cannot reach such branches, and toucan gets an advantage with its long beak, and the long beak help it to reach the fruits from branches on which it cannot sit as the branch is very weak. Now, another adaptive feature which are found in the animals living in the tropical rainforest is the camouflaging and the developed sense organs. You have seen the big cats like lions and tiger. Tiger is shown in the diagram also. So they have well developed sense organs, like they have a very strong sense of smell which helps them to locate their prey. They have a sharp hearing power, so can hear even a faint sound easily, and from far away sound also. They have a sharp eyesight that helps them to hunt for the prey. Another adaptive feature is the camouflaging. Their skin color helps them to merge with the surroundings. This enables the predator to locate the prey without being located. It also protects the prey from the predator because prey cannot be spotted out easily from the surroundings. So here you can see that in the diagram I have shown the tiger. It has the linings, black linings on its body which make them disappear when the tiger is in the grasslands. So you cannot find out a tiger unless you are looking it very carefully. Now we'll be discussing about the adaptations in the Indian rainforest. Indian rainforests are found in the western Ghats of India and in the Assam. Here also a large variety of animals can be seen like lions, leopards, lion-tailed macaw, elephants, sheep, deer, goats, snakes, lizards, birds, amphibians, etc. But we will be discussing only two animals in this video to not make it very long. So we'll be discussing about the lion-tailed macaw and the elephants in this video. So here in the picture I have shown the lion-tailed macaw. It is also known as bearded ape or beard ape. So long-tailed macaw has a silver-white mane that surrounds the head, cheeks and chin as in the lion. The mane refers to the body hair. It is a good climber and feeds mainly on fruits but also enjoys seeds, young leaves, flowers and birds. The long-tailed macaw also loves insects under the bark of trees. Next we will be discussing about the Indian elephant. Indian elephant have a large fan-like ears which help them to regulate the body temperature. You can also see the large fan-like ears in the diagram that I have shown. They also use their long pointed tusk to dig the roots of food plants and dig it to the trees to get the inside pulp. The tusk is the modified teeth which are used for digging and for uprooting the roots of the food plants. The trunk of the elephant acts as a human hand to pick and hold the things. So an elephant can easily pick up the food items with the help of its trunk and put it in the mouth for further chewing and taking it inside the stomach. So the trunk helps just like a human hand. The pillar-like legs of elephant balance their bulky body. Now we will be discussing about the adaptations in animals living in hot desert. But before moving to the adaptations, we should know about its geographical location and climatic conditions as well. So, looking at the geographical location of desert regions, we can find that Hot deserts are located in the tropical regions near the equator. The climatic conditions of desert is very dry and hot in the daytime but becomes cold at the night time. There is an excessive shortage of water in the desert, and because of which the vegetation in the desert is very scarce. So now I have mentioned some animals which are found in desert area. So camels, kangaroo rats, coyotes, cotton-tailed rabbits, mojave rattlesnakes, white-tailed antelope, squirrels, and barn owls you can find in the desert regions. Now let us discuss about the adaptive features which are found in the desert animals. So basically the desert regions are very hot and dry. Animals adapted to live in the hot deserts are camel, kangaroo rats that I have discussed earlier. So desert animals have to protect themselves from the scorching heat and need to conserve water. Therefore they have the following adaptations. To avoid the heat, most desert animals remain inactive inside their burrows during the daytime. They come out at the night time. Such animals that are active at the night time are called as nocturnal animals. To conserve water, the skin of the desert animals is without the sweat glands, which means they do not produce sweat or they do not excrete out sweat. Desert animals excrete concentrated urine, a urine which is less in amount, means the waste in the body is dissolved in very less amount of water. That is why the urine is said to be concentrated urine. Now we'll move on to the adaptive feature which is found in the camel. Camel is so well adapted to desert conditions that it is called the ship of the desert. It shows the following adaptations. The limbs of the camels have large pads which help it to walk on hot and slippery sand without sinking. Camels also have a hump that stores food in the form of fat. Therefore, a camel can survive without food for long. A camel a camel drinks a large quantity of water, up to like 14 liters, at one time and stores it in the water cells of the stomach wall, which makes it easier for the camel to live without water for so many days, because a camel travels in the desert area, so maybe it won't be able to find water for a long distance. So it drinks a large quantity of water at a time and then it stores in the water cells, which it utilizes later on. The nostrils have flaps which close the nostrils during a dust storm and prevents the sand entering in the nose. The eyes also have long eyelashes which protects the eyes from the dust and sand during the dust storm. Another feature, but very important feature, that a camel have is that it can adjust its body temperature according to the surrounding air. So these were the adaptive features in the camel. Now we have discussed the adaptations found in the various regions like the polar regions we have discussed in the earlier video. In this video we have discussed about the adaptations found in the animals living in the tropical rainforest, and we have discussed about the animals that are found in the desert regions. So now we have finished with all the adaptations and the chapter is over. Thank you so much for watching the